Yo, what is up, everybody? BVF Collection, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, back at it again with another unboxing. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves the biggest bundle order / unboxing I will ever be doing on this channel, or at least that's what I think. Maybe like one of the older X drops might have competed with this, but as far as I know, we got ourselves like a 20+ item bundle in here. Not too crazy of pieces, I'll be honest, but nevertheless, we got a lot of pieces. So without further ado, let's use my good old trusty coin claw and rip into this bad boy. Hopefully not damaging any of the goods, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we got a lot of things in here, a lot of different sizes, a lot of different pieces from a lot of different collections. Pretty freaking hyped. Look at this. This is very satisfying. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is pretty dang satisfying opening this. All right. I think that just about does it. All right. Without further ado, toss that out of the way and let's get into the unboxing. Ooh! First off the rip, very nice. Off the rip, we got ourselves a small, I believe, a small, yes sir. This is called, I think, the Demon hoodie. Very cool. I remember Ski was rocking one of these colorways at like a pop-up or a giveaway or something like that. I think the green version, but very nice embroidery on this. We got these look like plastic eyelets, but you know, oh, very soft on the inside. Very nice. I do believe that's it, though. Yeah, nothing on the back. So basically, main attractions is. I like that. You can put that at the front. Ooh, then we got hoodies coming in hot. Let's go set that to the side. Let's go with this one. So this one, I don't even think has dropped yet. Or if it has, it flew under the radar for me because I never really cared for this too much. But this is a like pre-distressed design, I believe so. Very cool. Well, sort of cool. We got Revenge is in the Creator's Hands on the sleeve. I do like the sleeves. These are kind of cool. Kind of gives me like, I don't know, middle school vibes with the flames type thing, you know. But it's still very nice. Inside is basically brand new. It's very soft. Let's check out this tag. Oh yeah, check it out. There you go. Large sample tag basically, or blank tag. So it doesn't even have the Revenge tag. It's just the blank itself. So that makes me think that even more so that this hasn't even released yet. Let's check out the back. So we got this skull. I do believe this is a stolen design. I think I've seen someone on Reddit post this. It was from somewhere else. It's not the first time Revenge has stolen artwork. I'm not too sure how I feel about the pre-distressed, like, you know, like all the cracking already. I would much prefer like it to be clean and then have this happen over time naturally when wearing pieces, but to each their own, to each their own. That's that piece. Set that out to the side. Now this piece is a little interesting because I don't even know if they dropped this as well. Like I know they dropped a smoke, what do you call it? Skull hoodie like this, but I don't know about the lightning logo smoke. Maybe they have, maybe they haven't. You guys can let me know in the comments section below. Another piece that would just fly over my head too because I'm not really too crazy about it. Give me a second, let me fix this for you guys. Especially on a white hoodie. I'm not really a white hoodie type of person. So we got, this is all screen print. Screen print on the other one too. The last hoodie I just showed you guys for the sleeve text. So we got Revenge in the Creator's Hands yet again. Okay. Nothing on the other sleeve. Let's see if it's got tags. It does have tags. So this is a real piece. Good to know, good to know. Medium. Check out that smoke skull. So they've dropped this logo many times from what I remember. But again, I'm not sure if they dropped it on the lightning smoke hoodie version. But overall, very cool. Very cool. All right, next piece, we got ourselves a long sleeve. Now this one did come with the stain right there. You can really see that on camera. In person, it's not as visible, but definitely on camera. Not too wild about this piece, to be honest. I'm gonna try to get that stain out, keep it a book. But here we go, we got the tag. Got a little extra large. Main reason why I don't like this piece is because of this right here. Not a big fan of any biblical type pieces, to be honest. But yeah, we got this screen print on the back. I showed you guys the other tag, so here's this tag. Come on, focus. Here's that tag. And we get that out of the way. Oh, this one I am happy about and excited to get. Even though it's really nothing. We got ourselves a blank t-shirt. I do believe, I'm not too sure, don't quote me on this. I do believe this is a Young Bratz cream or cement, whatever you want to call it, t-shirt before they printed on it at all. But overall, very cool. Just a blank Revenge t-shirt. Let's see if it's got that inside tag at the bottom. It does. That's sick. Good to know. Good to know. Damn shaky. Anyways, this is a piece I really wanted to get. That's going to be a keeper for show. Gotta keep that clean. This next one, love this design. Ooh, we got a little hair. Whoop. We got ourselves the outline. I think this is a members only exclusive, pretty sure. Because I got one myself already in a double extra large or extra large, but I cropped it. This one obviously isn't cropped. We got puff on the sleeve text. Not gonna really bother undoing that for you guys, sorry. Got a lot to get through. Got a small. Check out the other tag. There we go. And then nothing on the back. All right. Ooh, next up, we got ourselves, you can call this like a windbreaker, tracksuit type vibe. Go get the tag right there. Got a little in a large. It's got zippers on both sides. It's got just a normal zipper for the whole middle. Yeah, this is giving windbreaker vibes all day. I guess the only branding's like right there. Ding. Oh, on the back too. Never mind. Forgot about this. I do believe I've seen DJ Scheme rock this a couple times. Maybe not this colorway, but I feel like I've seen him rock this. And on the inside, you already know. Got that. All right. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. So I do believe this is the free t-shirt that people got. This graphic right here. I believe this was a free t-shirt type promo for when people bought something, or was like the first 500 orders. I remember Garrett posted was like, yo, everyone gets a free t-shirt, yada, yada, yada. But then when the drop came or whatever, he like made it so it's like, oh, people that purchase anything get the free t-shirt. And it was like the first 500 or whatever. Anyways, I think this is that t-shirt. Probably wrong, but you never know. Who knows? Nothing on the back. Let's check out the tag real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. I will be right back. Now we're back. I accidentally clicked on my screen again, so the focus was whack. I'm trying to look for the tag on the inside, but can't seem to find it. I don't think there is one, actually. Yeah, there's no tag on the inside. Sorry for that part. Ooh, this next piece. Pretty nice. We got a puff print BT. Check that out. It's all puff print. RP Juice WRLD. Juice WRLD back in 2018, 19. I forgot already. He did a lookbook, and this is one of the pieces he was wearing. But this is the new version because they didn't drop a t-shirt version back then. This is for like the new drop they did. Very nice. I like the puff. Digging that. Extra large. Nothing on the back. Let's see if this one has a tag at the seam thing. Yeah, okay. So this one's got the tag. Let's chill. Chill, chill. Off to the side. Let's keep going. Tees. Let's just keep going. So we got like a Bones tee. I remember seeing that. So it's a navy t-shirt. the tag right there, large. This is puff print. It feels puff, I'll be honest. Yeah, it's puff print for sure. It's very thin, but puff print nonetheless. And then this is what's on the back. Yeah, it's puff print. Very nice. A little bit of cracking right there, but other than that, pretty clean, pretty clean. Let's see if this one's got a tag. It should. I think that free tee was the only one that didn't. It's got it. Whoa, okay, this is different. Usually the tag's like up there somewhere, but this is literally just on the waistband thing. It's unique. Never seen that before. Here we go, just real quick. We got ourselves a tote. Outline our logo, you already know. Let's see if it's got that tag. It should be. There we go, there it is. Oh, we'll focus. Or whatever. You guys know the drill. Yeah, we'll get into the dead stock last. So we got right here Kodak photo tee. It was like a meme to me, so it's kind of funny that they made this into a t-shirt. I think this is like directed garment because it doesn't feel like screen. I don't know my stuff, so who knows, honestly. Very small neck, medium. Should have the tag right here. Yeah, we got the tag right here. And on the back, like the Chief Keef mugshot, it's got the ARC logo and puff print at the top of the neck. Pretty cool, pretty cool. To the side. Yeah, let's keep going this way. Oh, so these are some sample shorts. I know that much. So we got this design and this one, same as that other hoodie that was on the Made Blank. This logo right here, all screen print, feels like. No tags, as I assumed. Oh, well, there you guys go. You guys know where it came from now. But yeah, this is the blank they use, but this is a sample. Sample. This is what's on the back. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Pretty heavyweight too, feels heavy. All right. And then last open piece, we got ourselves some like joggers, sweats. I don't know if this is 3M. This looks like it's 3M, but it's probably just gray. We got ourselves a Revenge ARC logo embroidered right there. We got the zippers right there. See if there's anything in it. Nope. That's pretty cool though. I mess with these. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Not too shabby. Tag right here, medium. Check the back real quick. Nothing on the back. Just that logo on the front is the only branding you see. And then we got dead stock pieces that I probably won't open. This right here is the, what is it? Oh yeah, this is the Ski Burn the Hoods hoodie. This is like reflective, I know that much. But screen print still. Alright. A lot of dead stock now. We got ourselves the Angel Demon hoodie, medium, black. Very cool. There you go, you can see another tag. Okay. We got a Horseman tee. I don't even know what this piece looks like, honestly. That's puff print for sure, though. That's screen print, but digging the red bag. I like myself some red bags. Very nice, very nice. Oh, and then we got 2 Kodak tees, both in medium, both dead stock. Oh, and a Juice WRLD tee at the very bottom. Let's go. Juice WRLD dead stock. Let's go, dude. This one's sick. I love this piece in XL. But yeah, without further ado, that's about it. I do believe, I do say so myself. Nothing left. Double check. Wait, Kodak. Yeah, Kodak. Juice. Kodak. Yep. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I knew it was a little bit of a longer one, and probably not too crazy of a, unboxing, unwrapping, whatever you want to call it. But I'm still very pleased and happy at how it turned out. Again, biggest unboxing I've ever pretty much done, I think, in one box. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay awesome, stay amazing, be yourself as always, and have a great day. Later.